that relaxation of the muscle. It's going to give you that firmness to the skin. The whey protein is going to give you firmness. There's a bunch of vitamins, A, C, and E for free radical, antioxidants in there. So you guys can check your fact sheets too, just on the products. So, because I know this is a lot to take in, but I really urge you all to dig a little bit deeper and maybe do a little bit more research into these ingredients and help you understand, because the more you understand, the easier it's going to be for you guys to talk about things. And I have a really easy time because I think I have a background in knowing, you know, hair and skin and makeup and all that kind of stuff just from my, you know, job as a cosmetologist. So I am going to move on to the Rosewater Toning Spray. You guys, it's repackaged. Really great for days when you feel like you just need to freshen up. If you are a little bit red in the face, so anybody who may battle a little rosacea, a little more pink tones to their skin, it's great to just spritz on. Sunburns. It's really, really helped me with sunburns. If you get burnt a little bit, chest, back. I know Kai has a great picture of a 24-hour before and after she burned her chest really bad. So it also has sodium hyaluronate, which is a skin softening agent in there as well. They say it's ophthalmologically, I can't say the word, tested. Meaning if it gets in your eye, all that kind of stuff, we're good. So that is the royalty line, you guys. Really, some things to take away are some of those ingredients. I think that you can rewatch this back and maybe write them down and just dig a little deeper as to the ingredients that are in there, why they're in there. You can tell your customers as to why they need these products on their skin, not why you think that they need them on their skin. And really, skincare is all about being proactive and trying to prevent things from happening, as opposed to waiting for them to happen and then you trying to correct them after, because it's way harder to correct something than to be proactive and take care of it first. So, you know, somebody like myself, I'm 34, and I want to be proactive now. I don't want that paper to keep folding on my face, right? I want to be proactive now. I want to take care of my skin now. If you talk to a lot of people, like, you know, if I talk to my mom, she's like, you know, you need to take care of your skin before you're dealing with stuff that she's dealing with and she's trying to correct now. And it's really all about educating yourself and educating your clients and your customers as to what's in their products. It's really their responsibility as consumers to know what they're putting on their skin, and all you can do is be a catalyst to educate them as to what's in our product, and encourage them to look at their bottles of ingredients. So I'm now going to open it up for questions. So hopefully you guys have some, and I will kind of scroll back and see if I missed anything along the way. I feel like I'm good at getting distracted. Which products are good for hyperpigmentation? Fiona, they are saying the instant lifting serum is really helping with hyperpigmentation. But honestly, after reading a lot of what that CoQ10, like I believe that was something that I was like reading a little bit. So I would say instant lifting serum and uplift are going to be the two go-tos for hyperpigmentation and treating those spots. So let me go back. Yeah, go Google some words. Dig a little deeper, you guys. I think that you'll all become so much more confident. And, you know, the majority of my PRS this month has come from skincare, you guys. And this is changing my business, like immensely changing my business. And I hope it's doing the same for yours. This is a huge industry. And people are trying to start to be more proactive, I think, than like my parents' generation. Is there any place where we can direct our customers or for directions for their products if they throw out their box, especially the royalty line. Yes, Holly, if they go to your website and click on the product and then download the fact sheet, there are directions step by step as to how to use their product. There will also be recommendations as to what this product pairs best with, the ideal customer for it, and the ingredients that are in the product as well. What other questions do you guys have for me? I'm going to scroll again and see if I missed anything. Okay. I don't see that I missed any questions. Do you guys have anything else in regards to any of the products that you want me to clarify or talk about application? Any customers you guys have been struggling to maybe diagnose? Bye, Kimberly, and you're welcome. Yeah, any customers you guys are having trouble diagnosing, even if yourself, like you don't know what to use or where to start, I can kind of help you there. And if not, give it another minute or so and see if anything comes through. What order do we use products in? Great question, Charity. Okay, so obviously, let's talk like morning. So I jump in the shower, I wash my face with my cleanser. I get out, I dry my face off. I then use my instant lifting serum and I press it and tap it in. I then let that sit for about 3-4 minutes, brush my teeth, maybe spray some stuff in my hair. I then put my uplift serum on top of that, and then I put my moisturizer on top of my uplift serum. The boosting cleanser, is that similar to the old clear wash? So the moisture boosting cleanser is similar to the clean. So clean was in the white bottle, clear was in the gray bottle. So oily to normal, normal to oily are going to use the pore purifying cream or pore purifying gel cleanser with the exfoliating jojoba beads. Anybody normal to dry is going to use what is now the moisture boosting cream cleanser, which was the old clean in the white bottle. So clear and clean have now become pore purifying and moisture boosting. So think oily and dry, if that helps you remember. What do you think would help with acne scars? I've noticed mine have gotten better, but I've been using everything so I don't know what is actually helping. What do I think would help with acne scars? So I would probably recommend instant lifting serum, night cream, and uplift, because the combination of that Activin XCP and then some of that coenzyme Q I think would really help, because and I don't know how scarring works, you guys. I don't know that in depth about scarring, but I would think that it would help kind of to boost and put that collagen and elastin back in and maybe plump out and firm it up. So if it's acne scarring and they're, hey Erica, and I think that would help. I mean, I guess I've never honestly had anybody come to me with that one, but I would probably try those. You are welcome, Paige. What else, you guys? Can I show you something really cool that I just got? So I'm always late to the game, you guys. I don't have fancy lighting or anything like that, but my husband bought me this awesome clip-on ring. I'm sure you all have it, but This bad boy is genius. Clips on anything. I love it. Even in this natural lighting, a little bit of extra doesn't hurt. Okay. What else, you guys? What other questions? Anything from a personal standpoint or customer standpoint that you've been confused on and not sure what to use? And if not, I'm going to let y'all go. I probably kept you long enough. It's been an hour. I do lots of talking, but I hope this all helped you guys understand the product line. What do I suggest for heavy under eye bags? So I am a firm believer in the Uplift Eye Serum for that one. I had pretty heavy bagging. You know, you're in it, Lindsay, with a newborn and other kids, and I had dark puffy circles, and 10 days of the Uplift Serum, boom. I think another great one for the bags probably would be the Instant Lifting Serum too, but something in combination that would work are probably those two to combat, because I find that you know, I've been using the Uplift for long enough that I feel like I have the you know, the constant use of it has helped, but adding in the Instant Lifting Serum has just given it a little bit more tightness to it too. Yes, stretch marks too. Hi, Angelique. Yes, Erica, watch the replay. Lots of information. I'm pretty spent. I'm sure all these girls are spent too, because it's been an hour. If that's it, you guys, and nobody has any more questions, I will say thank you for watching. I appreciate the time. Hopefully I have helped educate you in a little bit deeper onto our skincare line. And if anybody ever has any questions, feel free to reach out, comment on this thread with any more questions, and or you can private message me, whatever you guys choose. But I appreciate your time. Thanks for all the interaction, and